How's it going, guys? My name is Josh Enobakhare. My middle name is Olufemii. That's where I get the name of my channel, Olufemii Tutorials, and my Instagram, Made by Olufemii. Now, I sell all my personal project files, video effect packs, and sound effects packs at my personal website, luxuryleaks.com, and all those sales go back to funding my channel. I will always consistently release my personal digital products at luxuryleaks.com. But I'm also proud to announce my new partnership with Envato.com. This is the main website that I source when I'm looking to buy digital products outside my personal cash at luxuryleaks.com. Now, a few months ago, I released a video called I Shot This Handheld. Check it out real quick. Now, I got a ridiculous amount of emails telling me to give away this project file, and I couldn't do this due to the fact that I used a third-party transition pack. Well, that transition pack was actually the handy seamless transition pack from videohive.com, which is a website owned by Envato. Now, this is currently my favorite transition pack, and it only works with After Effects. As long as the transitions are not overused and used in the wrong way, the results that I've gotten have been dope. I will be giving my I Shot This Handheld project file away for free via actually luxuryleaks.com, but there's a big catch. Because I used the handy seamless transition pack in the project file, you're actually going to need to buy that pack in order for the project file to be fully functional. I think it's like $43, and you have to buy it from videohive.com. Both links to the project file and the handy seamless transition pack are available below in the description. The installation of the pack is really easy, and a comprehensive installation guide is included with the purchase. Now, there's one thing that I want to leave you with. If you use these transitions the right way, your video will rock. But if you use them the wrong way, your video will suck. I promise. When using this transition pack, start with these rules, and I'll probably add some later in future videos. Number one, don't try to use all the transitions at once. There's probably 100 different options. Just pick one or two. Number two, not all the available transition categories are of the same caliber. For example, you'll see me pull from the distortion category a ton, and not so much from the glitch or kaleidoscope categories. I just don't like them as much. Number three, make sure that the transition is in sync with the beat of the song. Number four, incorporate an audio cue with each transition, like say a whoosh sound effect. Number five, make sure that each transition preserves and not destroys the realism of each shot. Remember that your transition is actually representing the movement of a camera in real space. For example, if you start with a wide shot of Big Ben, you're going to want to zoom into a close-up shot of Big Ben, as opposed to zooming into something else that's random, like a wide open field. Second example regarding preserving the realism of the shot, if you're wiping between one shot to another, make sure that the camera is moving in the same direction in each shot. Lastly, expect this pack to become obsolete soon due to overuse, and be prepared to move on. Don't hold on to any editing technique or transition fad for too long. In time, word will get out and the novelty will wear off. Remember what happened to the Luma fade. I hope you guys like this pack as much as I do. You can get both links to the free project file and to the handy seamless transition pack below in the description. And as always, guys, keep it chill. Add your name and place of residence to my latest Instagram post, and I promise to give your Instagram page a little peek.